Your challenge is to figure out which is the appropriate statistical test for the study you have to design. Here we have a question about cesarean sections. The State Department of Health has published a report that tells you a parameter: 21.6% of normal term pregnancies in this state are delivered by cesarean section. You have to determine whether or not the same is true for your health system. Are 21.6% of normal term pregnancies delivered by cesarean section in your health system? Well, let's try to figure out which test to use. So first question, you're going to think about the data that you're collecting. Is the data that you are collecting quantitative or categorical? Now is the time for you to pause and decide, and then start again. That's right, this data is categorical. Now you might have been confused by that 21.6%, which is a number, but what you're really doing is recording yes or no. Was this birth cesarean? And that would be a yes or no. That's categorical data. Then you will figure out what percent of your categorical data was in the yes category. Next question that you want to ask yourself: how many samples of data are you collecting? Again, pause the video. In this case, you are only collecting one sample of medical records from women who had normal term pregnancies. So this is definitely a one sample situation. On to our third question. What is this that you're trying to accomplish? What is the ultimate goal of the test that you will perform in this study? Are you comparing data, or are you looking for a relationship? Again, please pause the video. That's right. Here, you want to compare results. You want to compare your data to the historic number or the global number provided by the state of 21.6%. You are comparing data. So now that we've answered those three questions, let's answer the big question. What is the appropriate test to use? Pause this video till you know the appropriate test to use, then move on and check if you are correct. Hopefully you said a one sample proportion test. You're looking to compare the percentage or the proportion of women in your sample who had a cesarean section to the 21.6% value that was provided to you by the state.